Oosh.
Yes. Luke, did you have fun?
Yes.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Hi everyone! We're very excited to share this activity with you. This is a very easy DIY paint using flour, water, and food color. I wanted to introduce painting to Luke, so I was thinking if I'm going to use acrylic paint or watercolor. But when I found out about this DIY paint, we decided to try it and we were amazed with the results. So today we're going to show you how we made this DIY paint. Here is what we need. We need 500 ml water and 500 grams flour. First, we need to mix flour and water. You have to mix it well hanggang sa maging smooth and mawala yung mga buo-buo. I have around 5 to 6 different food colors, so I divided the mixture equally using plastic cups. What I like about this paint, it is non-toxic, it's washable, and it's affordable. Luke, are you excited to paint?
Hi guys.
Wow, okay, try. Nice.
Where's the shark?
You're painting a shark.
Paint.
You're painting a shark.
Okay, use the blue one.
Yes.
Color blue for shark.
Blue.
Not yellow.
Wow, okay, go. Good job. Good job. Purple. So mommies, if you want to try it, always remember na ang ratio is always 1 to 1. 1 cup of flour, add 1 cup of water. If 500 grams of flour, add 500 grams of water. Okay. And for the color, it's up to you. If you want it dark, then add more food color. But if you want it light, konti lang ilagay nyo.